You're welcome. Let's solve this exponential equation. Checking through this and this are having different bases. So it means you have to approach it in this manner. So we have to find the natural logarithm of both sides. So it means ln 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to ln 2 raised to power of 3x plus 2. Under the law of logarithm, this comes here. Recall that if you have ln a raised to power x, it means this x comes here to give us x ln a. So let's apply that here. It means this comes down. So we have 2x plus 1 ln 5 is equal to 3x plus 2 ln 2. Now, we open the bracket. ln 5 times 2x. So now the 2x ln 5 plus ln 5 times 1. That will be ln 5 is equal to ln 2 times 3x. That's 3x ln 2 plus 2 ln 2. Collecting the like terms, it means this moves over here. So you have 2x ln 5 minus 3x ln 2 is equal to 2 ln 2 minus ln 5. Now, x is common. We can factorize this out. We have x, divide this one by x, we are left with 2 ln 5 minus 3 ln 2 is equal to 2 ln 2 minus ln 5. So we can divide both sides by 2 ln 5 minus 3 ln 2. So we have, do the same thing to the other side. This cancels this. So therefore, our x is equal to 2 ln 2 minus ln 5 divided by 2 ln 5 minus 3 ln 2. This is the answer. If you want to get the decimal answer, press this into your calculator and you get the answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in our next video.